The following video is not for people looking for a get-rich-quick gimmick, or for people who love wasting money buying overhyped garbage that never gets them results. It's for serious people looking to build a real online business. If this does not apply to you, then please exit this page right now. Still here? Good, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can get the exact blueprint and software tools that I personally used to build my 7-figure online business. But first, let me show you some of the amazing results that are possible. Hey guys, Brett here, and I've been in the IM MMO space for quite some time, and I've made millions of dollars in that space. And in that time, I've also seen thousands of people purchase hundreds of products hoping that they can be a success themselves. The problem is none of these products are ever a complete solution. They always leave something important out. People will buy a training only to find out that they also need some kind of software in order to implement that training. People will buy software to find out that it doesn't come with training to teach people how to actually make money with that software. There's always a piece missing. And what this does is it gets people on a rat race of buying products over and over again and never actually getting anywhere. Well, I decided it was time to do something about that. And so I created a system that includes everything people need in order to be successful online. It's a system that includes training that teaches every aspect of my business. Everything that I've done to be a success is taught in this training. But beyond that, it also includes all the software tools that I use in my business to implement that training as well. Everything is included. The instructions that teach people how to be a success and the software that they need to implement those instructions. This is literally everything you need. And that's what I call this, the everything you need system, because nothing is left out. Now earlier, I asked everyone watching this video if they're serious about running a successful online business, or if they just like to buy products for the sake of buying. If you're a person that just likes to buy things, that just likes to spend money, then this is not for you. However, if you're serious about running a successful, profitable online business, then this is literally everything you need. In that case, all you need to do is click below to get started right now.
However, if you are ready to finally have everything you need to be a success, please continue. Check out the video in description box. This offer will expire, and this page will be deleted in. Get started now. Hey guys, Brett here, and I have been working full-time online since 2014, and in that time I have been blessed to be able to make over 130,000 online sales and to generate over $5 million. I have also seen thousands of people buy hundreds of products over and over, hoping that this next purchase will finally be the one that makes them a success as well. Of course, it never is though. Why? Because products always leave something out. They are never a complete solution. You get a single software that does one thing, but have to buy other software in addition to it. You get a software, but not training on how to actually make money with it. You get training, only to find out that you need to buy a bunch of tools to utilize it. Something is always missing. So I teamed up with my business partner Mike from Maine, and we created a system that includes all the training and all the software in one complete package. And I'm going to tell you all about it in a second, but first I want to show you some of the amazing results that are possible. I could go on and on, but I'm not here to brag. I think you get the point. I have been very successful. Click below to know more details. Why have I done so well? Because I know things that other people do not. I know how to build an email list, how to get traffic, how to drive affiliate sales, how to get people to make purchases from me directly, and through me as an affiliate. And I have software tools that make doing these things fast and easy. Over and over I see people buying product after product that never gives them the entire solution. Because of this they get stuck in a never-ending cycle of spending money instead of making money. So I created a complete system that teaches every aspect of my online business, step by step, with nothing left out. How to build an email list for free. How to do product reviews, product creation and launching, affiliate marketing, using Facebook for free traffic, launch jacking, and so much more. Click below to know more details. That also includes 10 of the software tools that I personally created for my own business. Affiliate Tracks, the software I created to build my email list by selling other people's products. Get paid to build your list. Memberskit, a easy-to-use, drag-and-drop membership site system. Vidiz, the video hosting platform designed by a top marketer for marketers. Let's Mail, my self-hosted autoresponder software. Send unlimited emails, with no monthly fee. Realim Reviews, the system I designed to let anyone easily follow my product review training and make affiliate commissions without even needing a website. My digital shop, easily build an online store to sell digital products. Changeo, allows you to edit any website, even sites you do not own. Webinaro, my complete automated webinar platform. ImageMaker 2, the online graphics program I use to make logos, social images and more. Bonus Builder, this cloud-based page builder is designed specifically for affiliate marketing. With it you can create bonus pages for your promotions in under 60 seconds. You can buy each of the software and training included with everything you need individually for a total price of, or you can get it all, as a complete package, for a one-time discounted price, with no autos or upsells. Until the timer below expires. Everything you need. Click below to know more details. The Everything You Need 14-day guarantee. If you are not 100% happy with your purchase, just send us a support ticket within 14 days of your purchase date for a full refund. Disclaimer, the income proof, screenshots, and claims made here are based on real results by Brett Rutecki. He has shown you this to inspire you, not to trick you. You may earn more than him, less than him, or nothing. As always, the level of success you have will largely depend on the amount of effort you put into your business.